Introducing the top 5 wearable smart mice of 2026, where cutting-edge technology meets effortless control. These innovative devices let you navigate your computer with simple hand gestures, making your workflow smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever. From precise movements to smart gesture recognition, these smart mice are redefining how we interact with our digital world. Introducing Mudra Link, neural gesture control that lets you command devices with simple, natural movements. Worn as a sleek wristband, Mudra Link reads subtle nerve signals from your hand and turns them into precise digital actions. From scrolling and clicking to controlling smart devices, it delivers hands-free, intuitive control, redefining how you interact with technology. Meet the Vanzy, a next-generation wearable smart mouse designed to let you control all your digital devices using simple, natural hand gestures. Instead of relying on a traditional mouse, keyboard, or touchpad, Vanzy transforms your hand movements into precise digital commands, creating a seamless and intuitive way to interact with technology. It's designed for people who want faster control, greater freedom, and a more futuristic way to work, create, and connect. Worn comfortably as a compact wearable, Vanzy tracks your gestures with high accuracy, allowing you to move the cursor, click, scroll, and switch between devices effortlessly. Whether you're working on a laptop, controlling a smart TV, giving a presentation, or navigating creative software, Vanzy adapts smoothly to your workflow. Every gesture feels natural, responsive, and easy to learn, making it suitable for both professionals and everyday users. What makes Vanzy stand out is its ability to control multiple devices from a single wearable. With smart connectivity, it pairs seamlessly with computers, tablets, and compatible smart devices, letting you switch control instantly without interruption. This makes it ideal for multitasking environments, modern workspaces, and smart homes where efficiency matters most. Vanzy is built with precision sensors that recognize even subtle finger and wrist movements, ensuring accurate command execution with minimal effort. From presentations and video editing to gaming and media control, it brings a new level of immersion and productivity. You're no longer tied to a desk or a surface. Your hand becomes the controller. Designed with comfort and style in mind, Vanzy is lightweight, discreet, and suitable for long-term use. Its battery-efficient design ensures extended usage throughout the day, while simple setup makes it easy to start using right out of the box. No complex calibration, no steep learning curve, just intuitive control powered by smart gesture recognition. Vanzy represents the future of human-device interaction, where technology responds to you naturally and instantly. It's not just a wearable mouse, it's a smarter, more expressive way to control your digital world. With Vanzy, gestures become commands, movement becomes control, and the future feels closer than ever. The PeroPero, the gesture smart mouse that turns your hand movements into powerful digital control. Meet PeroPero, an innovative wearable device designed to replace the traditional mouse with intuitive, gesture-based interaction. Instead of clicking and dragging on a desk, PeroPero lets you control your screen using natural finger and hand movements, creating a more fluid, immersive, and futuristic way to interact with technology. It's built for users who want speed, freedom, and a smarter connection with their devices. Worn comfortably on your finger or hand, PeroPero tracks precise gestures such as taps, swipes, rotations, and movements, translating them instantly into cursor control, scrolling, clicking, and command execution. Whether you're working on a laptop, controlling presentations, browsing content, or navigating creative software, PeroPero responds smoothly and accurately, making every interaction feel effortless. What makes PeroPero truly unique is its versatility. It works across multiple platforms and devices, allowing you to switch between tasks without changing tools. From office productivity and media control to casual gaming and smart device navigation, this gesture smart mouse adapts to your needs and workflow seamlessly. Designed with lightweight materials and ergonomic comfort in mind, PeroPero can be worn for extended periods without fatigue. Its smart sensors detect even subtle finger movements, ensuring reliable performance with minimal effort. The setup process is simple and user-friendly, so you can start controlling your devices almost instantly. Introducing the Snowl AI Mouse, AI gesture control that transforms your finger into a powerful smart controller. Meet Snowl, a next-generation wearable AI mouse designed to redefine how you interact with your digital world. Instead of relying on a traditional mouse or touchpad, Snowl uses advanced AI gesture recognition to turn simple finger movements into precise digital commands. It's built for a future where control feels natural, intuitive, and completely hands-free. Worn comfortably on your finger, Snowl tracks micro-gestures, motion, and orientation with impressive accuracy. Every tap, swipe, rotation, and movement is instantly translated into smooth cursor control, scrolling, clicking, and command execution. Whether you're working on a laptop, navigating a tablet, giving presentations, or controlling smart devices, Snowl responds in real time with fluid precision. What sets Snowl apart is its AI-powered learning system. Over time, it adapts to your gesture patterns, improving accuracy and responsiveness with every use. This makes interactions faster, more personal, and more efficient, allowing you to work or create without breaking focus. Your finger becomes the interface, and movement becomes command. Snowl is designed for versatility across multiple platforms and devices. It seamlessly connects via wireless technology, allowing you to switch between computers, smart displays, and compatible devices effortlessly. From productivity tasks and creative workflows to media control and casual gaming, Snowl fits naturally into any digital environment. Comfort and usability are at the core of Snowl's design. Lightweight, ergonomic, and discreet, it's built for long sessions without strain. Its energy-efficient design ensures extended battery life, while quick setup means you can start using it almost instantly, without complex calibration. Snowl isn't just a wearable mouse. It represents a new era of human-computer interaction. It frees you from desks, surfaces, and physical limitations, giving you the freedom to control technology anywhere, anytime. With Snowl AI Mouse, gestures feel natural, control feels effortless, and the future of interaction is literally at your fingertips. The Tactigon Skin Reload, advanced gesture motion control that brings your movements to life. Meet a powerful wearable designed to turn natural hand and arm gestures into precise digital commands. The Tactigon Skin Reload uses high-precision motion sensors to track movement, orientation, and rotation in real time, allowing you to control devices, applications, and digital environments with intuitive gestures. It's built for creators, developers, and professionals who want deeper interaction without traditional input devices. Worn comfortably on the body, the Tactigon Skin Reload captures even subtle motions with exceptional accuracy. From navigating interfaces and controlling presentations to interacting with virtual environments and smart systems, it delivers smooth, responsive performance across a wide range of use cases. Its gesture recognition feels natural, fast, and highly reliable, keeping you fully immersed in your work. Designed for flexibility, the Tactigon Skin Reload integrates seamlessly with computers and compatible platforms,